Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. You're watching Cars Are Us. So today we are installing the Loom. On one of the previous episodes you can see how we covered it with a sleeve, braided sleeve. And today you would see how I tuck it, make it look like it's non-existent. So we are using the factory hole for it. And the ECU is in the factory position where the old ECU goes. So there's my ECU mounted. Don't mind the messy wires over there, that's factory Loom. We're just sorting through that to find the speedo and rev gauge and all that stuff. So hope you guys enjoy this. Okay guys, so that's how I ran the first Loom. This blue wire will be taken care of. I don't really have the shroud for all this, but as you can see, everything is under and tucked away. So now the thrower body comes onto that and then hides all the wires. Only part you can see wires is where it comes out and joins onto where they need to go. So we've got one earth wire here that needs to go to something on this side of the motor, another one on that side. And on the second Loom, we've got the same story, two earth wires, they need to go somewhere. Hey guys, so that is all the wiring that is needed to start it and run it properly. Map sensor, TPS, crank, cam, yeah. There's a temp. Okay, so that's all the wires needed to run it properly. We've got all 8 injectors, sequential fire. We got a TPS sensor here. We got coolant temp sensor. We got in front of the motor, we got the cam and the crank. We've got the map sensor, and on that side we got a couple of earths, injectors, and a couple of earths on this side. What else? That's it. So yeah, that's all we needed to run. Only other thing that needs to be included here is the coil power supply and the coil trigger, but those are pretty ugly, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before we do that. So we'll put the intake manifold on. You guys see how tidy it looks, and be the judge yourself. Wire's done. Everything is where it needs to be. We still need to plug in the coils. At the moment we're still running coils and igniters and front dizzies, but future upgrade would be coil on plug. So we're getting our power from here, it's running all through there, looks quite shit, but it will get tidied up in the future when we go coil on plug. Just didn't want to run all the wires and then having to undo it and then redo it again. Other than that, our ECU is mounted here. We got our 2 channels to the igniters. There's the ECU. And all our wires. So we'll just tidy it up and finish off. Bolt up the manifold first. Give it a crank, see if she runs. If she doesn't, then no shit. But enjoy. So wiring is all done now. We've got our power for our coils here and signal. that's going to get changed as soon as we get coil on plugs. So if you want to see coil on plugs, like this video, and soon we'll have a video of us chucking some coil on plugs on. Also, comment what do you think will be best. I'm thinking Audi S6, about 2004 coils would do. Also, you can see all the wiring is quite tidy. This is going to get mounted on there, and we're going to use the factory line. Also, we got the ECU power, lambda sensor, and everything connected under here. So, and here it looks factory until you rip this up. You can see the mess. So, this is just the coil of wire, so that's why that looks like that. We've got our earth. Our power wire goes up there somewhere. So yeah, let's see if she starts. I've tweaked the map a little bit because I've got a 36 tooth wheel where their one is a 12, the factory one. So let's see if she starts. Running quite nicely. A little bit more tuning necessary there. Sounds good. Okay, so that seems to be running pretty mint. We'll set up the Lambo and stuff, and then it's time for some skid. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Next video would be putting on all the covers, and hopefully in the future we'll be doing the coil on plugs. Keep posted and happy Movember.